In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert voice memos into Google Slides. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your recorded audio into a slide so it plays smoothly during your presentation. Before we begin, a quick tip for success. Google Slides inserts audio from Google Drive, and it works best with common formats like MP3 or WAV. If your voice memo is saved in a different format, export or convert it to MP3 or WAV first, then make sure it's in your drive. This isn't an extra step to follow right now, just a helpful heads up so everything goes smoothly. Start by going to Google Slides in your browser. On the home screen, you'll see a section called Recent Presentations. This area shows files you've worked on lately and is an easy way to jump back in. Click on Recent Presentations to view them, then open the presentation where you want to add your voice memo. Once your presentation is open, look toward the top of the screen for the menu bar and find the Insert option. This is where Google Slides keeps all the tools for adding content to a slide. Click Insert, and in the drop-down menu, choose Audio. Selecting Audio tells Slides you want to bring in a sound file from your Google Drive. A file picker window will appear, showing audio files available in your drive. Browse to the voice memo you want to use. If you don't see it right away, try the My Drive tab, or search by file name. When you find the correct file, click it to highlight or select it. You'll know it's selected when it's visibly highlighted in the list, and then click Insert. After insertion, you'll see a small speaker icon on your slide. That icon represents your audio. You can click it to preview playback and drag it to positions it where you prefer. During your presentation, that audio will be ready to play. If you're presenting to others, a pro tip is to check that the audio files sharing permissions in Drive allow your audience to access it. Otherwise, they might not hear anything when you present. If the sound seems quiet, verify your device volume and consider normalizing your clip before uploading so it plays clearly in a room. And if you ever replace the audio file in Drive, keep the same file name and location to avoid broken links in your slides. And that's all there is to it. You've opened your presentation.